Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just a little update on my home addition, master bathroom, master closet, and laundry room. So this is where we're at. I think last time I showed you we were having the block foundation laid by the masons. And so I've been working on the floor framing. So here's what we got. I'm going to get it uncovered. I should be able to finish up the floor structure today and be ready for subfloor next weekend. So here's what we got. I've been keeping it covered, having a little bit of rain. I'm going to go ahead and pull this cover off. I've got 2 more boards to put in, a little bit of blocking in between those 2x10s. I had to do some repairs to the 2x8 up against the house. There was some rot in the corners. This house has a double rim joist. It has 2 2x8s going all the way around the perimeter. So just the outer one was rotten, about 5 feet on this corner and only about a foot on the other corner. A little over a foot, I think. And let's see, this is the piece I took out of this corner here. Still had some structural integrity, but I just felt like it was a good time to pull it out. Replaced it with a piece of pressure treated, glued it and screwed it into the house, so everything's nice and tight now. And then this is the new 2x10. So yeah, let me get this cover pulled back and show you what we got and try to get this floor structure finished up today. So alright, well, I'm pretty much done with the floor framing. I'm waiting on some stainless steel ring shank nails for my nail gun, 3 1/4 inches long, so I can nail off all these. Just because this is pressure treated, I don't want to put just a bright nail or unfinished nail through that pressure treated. It'll rust it out. So we got stainless nails on the way, should be here today. I can get all those joists nailed off. What you see there is some coated screws holding them in place. Some of them I went ahead and, because I had to twist them pretty good, I just went ahead and screwed these off. So I got all the blocking done. You see here I put a double 2x10 here, here, and here, and it's probably overkill, but that's where the Whirlpool bathtub's going to sit, pretty much in that corner. So a little extra strength, overkill, but it doesn't hurt. Got the blocking in, short one piece, goes right there. Come up with a piece of 2x10, I'll get that in. You can see the main floor beam there that sits on those piers, the concrete block piers, and those are fully grouted with concrete, pressure treated sill plate, and then this 2x10 beam sitting on there, and it's 4 2x10s that are glued and screwed together. I got these, see if you can see that big lag bolts that are 6 inches, they go all the way through. I nailed it and screwed it from both sides, and every piece is glued in between. Again, maybe a little overkill, but I don't mind. Got all the splices in where the 2x12 or 2x10s come together in the middle. See if I can walk around here without falling. So yeah, everything turned out pretty straight. Not too bad. It's been a long time since I've done this, but pretty happy with it. I need to clean this wall again and put another coat of tar on there. And I've got some pipe, some drain pipe to put in there and go all the way around. So yeah, I think next weekend we'll be able to get some subfloor down. And then maybe the weekend after that, start framing up some walls. So this is my work area out here behind the house. Sawhorses with a little work table, and bring the material in on my trailer, and I just leave the wood covered up on my trailer till I'm ready to use it. Picked up this little shed for 150 bucks. It's like a 3x5 shed, metal shed, already assembled up in Atlanta, and I got it mounted to some plastic pallets on top of some 4x4s. But this thing has just been great for working out of. I got a little shelf in there, and I just got all my stuff and tools piled up in there, and I can actually stand up in there. But it keeps me from having to lug all my tools all the way back over to the container every night. And I beefed up the lock mechanism on it here. I got this metal flap with 2 big hinges and a big padlock that goes over it. But I added this little security light to it. That works pretty good. It's motion sensor activated, and it's got a little solar panel right there on the back. So if anything walks up to it, that light turns on. It's pretty bright. It stays on for like 30 seconds. But yeah, this little shed worked out great. I'll probably just end up using it for putting all my shovels and stuff in, put it over behind a container when I get done with it, until I start the next edition, which is going to be on the other side of the house. I'll have to tell you guys about that later. So yeah, I got a little bit of a mess to clean up, but that pretty much wraps up floor framing. Anyway, thanks again for watching Projects with Paul, and we'll see you next time.